Welcome back. About to hit, this one looks a little more fun, just straight freaking pin it. We're gonna do that. We're gonna let the old girl eat. Got the sign right here that says, riders must stay between the flags on hill climbs. This area will be closed if you ride outside the flags. Keep hill climbs available for riding. Stay on trail. Oh, of course. Of course, we always stay on the trail. Let's get it! Let's go! Oh, we're not in gear. We're gonna start at the second, first, second. Then we're gonna see what we get up to. Pretty easy hill climb, straight up, speed. Second, third. She's vibrating pretty good. I have a motor mount loose. We'll have to check that next time. Bike prep before we ride. Mental note, check motor mount. Usually they get loose. Bike's 2-stroke, she vibrates. But you can tell when you ride your bike for over freaking, how long have this been? Like 16 years, 17 years. You feel a little more vibrant. You can tell. Vibrating a little more. Jesus. Whoa. You know what I mean? Yeah, we definitely cleared her out right there. Pretty spunky right now. Like that, just hold, letting her eat, and feel like everything is whatever. Like feel like it might blow. What can I talk today? Feel like it might blow. Like you're just waiting for it to go. I feel like that all the time. I've been through a couple of piston explosions and it ain't cheap. Brand new cylinder, opening the case, you know, new crank, all that, man. Woo. That's a new one. People take it inside, ring it, and then right there, hardly anybody makes it, so I'm gonna pass on that. on that new one. I mean, when there's traction, this hill climb is kind of hard as it is. Like on a nice wet day. Oh yeah, that's a ripper right there. We're gonna hang off to the right. Go on this nice little single so we can mingle. Tree to the arm right there. Gonna leave a mark. It's gonna leave a mark. Holy shit. How could a trail change so much, dude? Of course, GoPro does not do this justice, but that is a... I could have probably made it if I would have stuck left and kept my momentum up, but... Dude, that was never there the last time I was there. I was here like a few months ago. What the hell? Shit-talking mushrooms, dude. That's intense. We're like, oh, we're gonna rip it. We'll find another way out of here. Definitely not that way. I think I know a spot. Got reverse action going on. I know a turn when you, hey. Oh, we good. Let me see where the hell I'm going first. Alright, we go off this way. Oh, we got no boot traction. And we're gonna leave this in the video. That's just how I roll. Finally. Dude, that's pretty intense though, how that trail changed like that. It was way different. Way different. Alright, let's get it. Go for it. I went on this trail a while back on a nice muddy day. Did you guys see that? Shit. One of those moments. You wish you had somebody with you. Dude, I don't know how I'm gonna get out of here. But I don't know what happened. Oh, fuck. This sucks. There's the poker bushes too. Like I said, I was here one time. We do not want to go down there. Fucking get out of there. It's not good. Woo! Alright, so we flipped her opposite direction, went down that way, rode it back up on the trail. It's intense, bro. It's intense. It's part of the reason why it's not good coming out by yourself. I don't know what happened there, but it looked like we just whiskeyed it right off the edge. Could have been worse. Could have went down there. So we'll be back at it. Make sure you smash that like button if you guys like this struggle. Share this video. Remember, be safe when you're always riding by yourself. Peace.